Hey, everyone! Halloween is almost here, so today we'll show you how to configure SEO of your store using StoreSEO app and its powerful AI features to boost your sales. Make sure you have StoreSEO app installed on your Shopify store. Navigate to the Optimize SEO tab from StoreSEO dashboard. Click on any product that you want to optimize for SEO. Next, hit the Generate button under the AI Content Optimizer section on the right side. StoreSEO will instantly generate meta titles, meta descriptions, and tags based on your provided focus keyword using AI. By clicking on the Keep It button, you can opt for the AI-generated meta title, meta description, or tags. You can also instantly get back to the original content by hitting the Revert button. Now, enter the alt text of the individual images if you want to do it manually. But it doesn't end here. If you want a fresh batch of content, just click on the Regenerate button under the AI Content Optimizer section. StoreSEO will instantly generate everything like before. Want to keep all the AI-generated content? Hit the Keep All button to accept all content at once. Click on the Save button to save all the changes. Super easy, right? But wait, there's more. Navigate to the Image Alt Text Generator option on the left side to write the alt text of your images with AI. You will now get the list of all the images in your store. Just pick any image you want and hit the Generate button on the right side. Next, click on the Generate with AI button and let StoreSEO take over. In an instant, you will get AI-generated image alt text that you can regenerate anytime if needed. Hit the Keep It button to accept the AI-generated image alt text. See how simple and fast it is. Optimize your Shopify store for SEO and take your Halloween sales to the next level with StoreSEO. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Wishing you a wickedly successful and super spooky Halloween season.